Hello children, today we are going to learn app family words. Here comes the letter A. The letter A makes the sound A. Now here comes the letter P. The letter P makes the sound P. If we blend these two letters together, we will get a new sound, that is app. 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 Now let's learn few app family words. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a cap. Now let's learn the word. Here comes the letter C. The letter C makes the sound K. K. App. Cap. K. App. Cap. Now here comes the letter G. The letter G makes the sound G. G. App. Gap. G. App. Gap. Let's move for the next word. Can you see the picture, children? In the picture, the boy is sitting on his mother's lap. So here the word is lap. App. Lap. App. Lap. Move on to the next one. Do you know what is this? It's an India map. Here comes the letter M. The letter M makes the sound App. Map. App. Map. Move on to the next one. Do you know what the baby is doing here? The baby is taking a nap. Here comes the letter N. The letter N makes the sound App. Nap. App. Nap. Nap means a short sleep. Do you know what is this, children? It's a tap. Now let's learn the word. Here comes the letter T. The letter T makes the sound T. T. App. Tap. T. App. Tap. Let's move for the next one. Here comes the letter Y. The letter Y makes the sound Y. Y. App. Yap. Y. App. Yap. Okay, children, now we have learned few app family words. Let's revise the words again. K. App. Cap. G. App. Gap. App. Lap. App. Map. App. Nap. App. Tap. App. Yap. Okay, children, now in this video we have learned app family words. Keep on practice. Thanks for watching the video.